A leaked drone quietly signals a shift in how immersive aerial footage may soon be captured. DJI's Avata 360 appears as the company's first serious move into consumer 360-degree FPV flight, and recent leaks suggest this is far more than a concept. Retail listings that briefly went live, pulled pre-order bundles, promotional images, and late-stage regulatory filings all point to a real product approaching launch. It matters now because creators want full immersion without added complexity, and the decision forming is whether this becomes a mainstream creative tool or remains a niche experiment. Multiple leaks point toward an early 2026 release window, reinforced by reports of FCC approval completed in late 2025. That timing explains why pre-order pages and bundle listings briefly surfaced online before disappearing. This does not feel accidental. The intent feels clear. This is not built for racing or raw speed. It is aimed squarely at immersive storytellers who want freedom in post-production while keeping the adrenaline of FPV flight. DJI is not casually entering the 360 space. It is positioning itself deliberately against the category leader. Right now, Insta360 dominates consumer 360-degree action and aerial creativity, especially with products like the Antigravity A1 setting expectations around resolution and reframing flexibility. The Avata 360 looks like DJI's direct response, but with familiar advantages layered on top. DJI's stabilization pipeline, mature FPV ecosystem, and proven low-latency video links immediately change how usable 360 footage becomes. This feels less like an experiment and more like a strategic counter-move. At the center of that challenge is the camera system. Leaks consistently point to a dual-lens 360 setup, with most sources converging around 5.7K capture, and some suggesting DJI may push higher toward 8K to stay competitive. That resolution matters because it directly affects creative freedom. Higher detail allows aggressive reframing, horizon correction, and digital stabilization without visibly degrading quality. A single flight can generate multiple usable angles, removing the pressure to frame perfectly in the air. That shift changes how FPV footage is captured. Misframing stops being a critical mistake. Horizon leveling and cinematic smoothing are expected to manage the chaos of FPV motion, turning fast dives and tight turns into footage that still feels deliberate. The flying can stay aggressive while the final output looks composed, which is exactly what immersive creators have been asking for. Flight behavior appears to build on familiar Avata DNA. Leaks suggest the Avata 360 retains compatibility with existing DJI FPV goggles and controllers, delivering the same low-latency live feed creators already trust. Some leaks even hint at a dual-mode camera design, allowing pilots to fly with a traditional forward FPV view while still recording full 360 footage in the background. That combination makes indoor spaces, narrow corridors, and complex fly-through shots far more practical than with traditional drones. It opens locations that are usually avoided because of risk or setup complexity. Protective propeller guards reinforce that accessibility. The design suggests DJI wants this flown close to people and objects, not just wide open spaces. Beginners gain confidence flying indoors or near structures, while experienced pilots retain manual control and FPV responsiveness. The balance is safety without removing the thrill, which broadens who can realistically use it. One rumored detail stands out above all others. A takeoff weight under 250 grams would dramatically reduce regulatory friction in many regions. Fewer registration requirements, easier travel, and fewer restrictions change where and how often the drone can fly. Some filings hint the final weight may land higher, but if DJI manages full 360-degree FPV capability under that threshold, it would represent a major engineering achievement and a meaningful advantage over heavier competitors. Software and AI features appear designed to collapse the workflow even further. Integration with DJI's flight platform hints at assisted path smoothing and optional obstacle awareness layered over FPV control. Automatic 360 stitching is the most critical element. Fly, land, and edit immediately without manual stitching or complex desktop workflows. That single chain saves hours and lowers the barrier for creators moving into immersive content. Pricing is where hesitation enters the picture. Early pre-order leaks cluster around roughly $1,000 for a base kit, with higher-end bundles reaching well beyond that depending on included goggles and controllers. Whether existing DJI FPV gear can be reused will heavily influence perceived value. For current DJI users, the package becomes far more compelling. For new buyers, the total ecosystem cost becomes a serious consideration. There are risks that remain unresolved. Battery life is still unknown, as 360 cameras and FPV systems both demand significant power. Heat management, onboard storage speed, and real-world flight times will ultimately determine how practical the drone feels beyond short showcase flights. Competitors are not standing still, and the 360 drone category is evolving quickly. The target audience, however, is already clear. FPV filmmakers, travel creators, YouTubers, and VR storytellers stand to gain the most. Racers and still photographers are unlikely to see it as a priority. This is a creative tool first, not a performance machine. If the Avata 360 launch is close to what these leaks suggest, immersive drone content changes almost overnight. The gap between flying and finished footage collapses. For creators who value flexibility, reframing, and storytelling over raw speed, the decision becomes straightforward.